This is the AI News Flash for July 8th, 8 p.m. UTC. First up, Meta is building its first large data center in Canada, in Sturgeon County, Alberta. The 1 gigawatt facility carries a total investment of 13 billion Canadian dollars, or about 9 billion US dollars, making it Meta's 33rd data center worldwide. It will create over 3,000 construction jobs and 300 operating roles, add roughly $60 million in local infrastructure, and generate around $250 million a year in benefits for Albertans. The booming race to build AI infrastructure has now crossed the border from the United States into Canada. Second, OpenAI has released new voice models called GPT-Live, betting that voice will become the primary way people interact with AI. The full duplex models can listen and speak at the same time, so users can interrupt naturally and pause without the AI cutting them off. GPT-Live 1 becomes the default for Go, Plus, and Pro subscribers, while a lighter mini version is the default for free users. The voice queries now route to OpenAI's latest frontier text models, and falling inference costs made it possible to open this up to free users. Third, air freight analyst Zanetta reports that global air cargo volumes rose 7% year over year in June, with spot rates up 38% to $3.40 a kilo, driven by AI and semiconductors. Asia to North America lanes led the way, with rates from Northeast Asia climbing 41% and from Southeast Asia 42%. AI-related hardware makes up under 10% of total air cargo volume, yet it has become the single biggest growth driver, offsetting a decline in e-commerce traffic. As the chief air freight officer put it, the scale of AI's impact is easy to underestimate because it sits inside such a small slice of what flies. Fourth, a University of Georgia study finds that AI chatbots give inconsistent financial advice and that bias can creep in. For identical financial profiles, recommendations on emergency fund size, retirement withdrawal rates, and stock versus bond allocations differed depending on which platform was used. More troubling advice sometimes changed when only the gender or race of the hypothetical person was altered, even though every financial detail stayed the same. The researchers urge consumers to consult a human financial planner for decisions affecting their future rather than relying on AI alone. That's all for this AI News Flash.